Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy the Bobo Memecoin on Dex Tools. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up my web browser. I'm going to head on over to dextools.io, and I'm currently in the Bobo Memecoin charts here. So if you come to Dex Tools for the first time, you'll see a page like this, and then you want to search pair by symbol, name, contract, or token. So I'm just going to type in Bobo, show you how to find it. And now I'm going to click on this Bobo here. You can see there's lots of different Bobos, but this is the correct one with the ending of 5295. So I'm going to click into this. It's going to bring me to this page, the Bobo charts here. And now on the left hand side, you see Dex Swap, and you've got Bobo and Ethereum. So we're going to be swapping Ethereum for Bobo. So what we need to do is click that button there. So we're swapping Ethereum for Bobo, not the other way around. And then you need to make sure to log in or create a wallet to be able to do this. So I'm currently logged in here. So what I'll do, I'll just log out, disconnect my wallet. And if I go to the home screen, so from here, go ahead and click on, let's get back for a second. All right, home screen. So you need to connect your wallet. So go ahead and click on connect. Connect your wallet to Dex Tools to access new features, etc., etc. And then once you click connect, you need to connect your wallet. So I'm going to connect Phantom. You can use MetaMask, any other wallets really. So you've got up to about 435 different wallets you can connect to Dex Tools. But for this demonstration, I'm going to click connect on Phantom. Wallet connected, and then you need to verify your wallet. And I'm going to confirm this like so. Once it's confirmed, you'll see you're logged in here like so. If I go click on Dex Tools at the top, I'm logged in. If you're not sure how to create a wallet, just YouTube what wallet you want to use. You got Phantom, it's popular, MetaMask, Binance, etc. So there's lots of videos on that. Alright, so once all that is said and done, let's go back to Bobo and start buying some Bobo. Alright, this one here. And now it will say connect wallet under Dex Tools. Just wait until it loads up. It's a little bit laggy. Now I'm going to swap it again, so Ethereum for Bobo. And now I don't have too much Ethereum at the moment, so I need to deposit some more. So what I'm going to do, just swap this anyway, see if it goes through. So it says swapping, and then once you've done that, your wallet will open, and you might need to relog back in. Once you've done that, you've got a confirm transaction pop up here. And now from here, I want to click on confirm. You'll say, and then it'll say swap sent, and then transaction was sent. So that's it for this video, guys. How to buy the Bobo Memecoin on dextools.io.